Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking out how to get dark mode on any application on your Android device, in this video we are going to guide you through the process. So without any delay, let's just get started. So what we can do is usually for a normal thing, we can open up our settings of our application for applications that has native support. We can go to the option of display for that and tap on it. And from there, look out for the option of dark mode, tap on it, and enable the dark mode on your device. This is one of the method possible. When you do so, all of the native applications that allows dark mode on it, it will directly be applied. But what sometimes happens is it does not do that on unsupported applications for advanced users. So what we can do instead is go to our settings app. Let me just show you. So once you head over to settings, what you need to do is basically go to developer options. So go ahead and turn this option on for developer options and tap on it. After you tap on it, you just need to go over and go to the section of system. So it may be under system. You can scroll through the options of override force dark. Just go over and find such kind of options. You usually need to scroll down for that, and once you find it up, you may just go over and turn that option on for you. So let me just show you. It should be under this right here, hardware accelerated rendering. Once you find it up, you just need to turn this option on for force dark mode and turn it on. When you turn it, toggle this setting on like this, it will turn on the dark mode for any of the applications available on your Android device, and that should do it for you. And that's it. So therefore, everyone, if you want to turn on dark mode on any application on your Android device as well, you may just go ahead and follow up the steps for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.